Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video and just exciting for myself. It's a haul from Sweet Kawaii Design and from Shine Sticker Studio. It's been so long. I think I mentioned in my previous video that I've ordered stickers just because I was so iffy on my planner lineup and I didn't really like the idea of using sticker kits in just planners that I didn't know if I was content with. But as of right now, I mean, it could change in a week, but as of right now, I'm pretty happy with my lineup, and yeah, so stickers were bought. So I'm going to start with Shine Sticker Studio because it's just a smaller amount, and this is the one where I always try to keep the actual sticker, which I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna go like this. Just so I can keep the sticker later on. Oh my god. Okay, those are cute. I'm so happy. Okay. Let's start with this then. So the first thing I ordered, let's see. So we have the freebie, September freebie. You know what, let me zoom in. There we go, I like that better. So since I also ordered the new Hobonichis, I thought I'd order some stuff for next year. So yeah, I got this, which will be for the, I believe, A6. And no. Quarterly. Is this for the weeks? This for the A6? I don't think so. Wait, I'm so confused. What is this for? Or is this a freebie? No, it's not a freebie. Anyways, I know this for sure is a cousin, so yeah. So those are that, or that is that. And then for Halloween, I wanted to have a special kit. So this is all for the Hobonichi cousin. I got the kit, deluxe kit, I believe. So I wanted just something special for the actual week of Halloween. And these are adorable. Yeah, those are so cute. So that is for the cousin. And then for my Stalogy, I thought I'd get something for fall. Oh, these are pretty. So this kit, and I'll try and leave the kits down below as well. So yeah, this will be good for my Stalogy. So that is Shine Sticker Studio. And now for Sweet Kawaii Design, which I love. That is such a cute bag. Got quite a bit from here. I think these I can tell easier what they're for. Okay, so this is the freebie. And her little card, which I want to hang on my wall for sure. And then I listened to a lot of audiobooks, so I thought I would get those, which now when I look at this, I feel like I should have gotten itty bitty size. These are, I think, just regular size, but now if I'm gonna put it in my cousin, it might be a little big, but it should be fine. So trash. Yet now I realize this is 2020, but that's okay. That's okay. And then for my cousin for the month, I wanted to get a kit. So I got this one, which I really liked. I think I liked this kit better, than the Shine Sticker Studio one. So yes, and it has all of the holidays for October. Oh, that is so cute. I just like the drawings. They're so cute. And Then for the week of Halloween, I think I was gonna go with this one, Monster Mash. And this is for, let me look at the, okay, yeah, so this one is just for my nostalgia during Halloween, because the other one I believe from Shine Sticker Studio was for the cousin. So this is for my nostalgia, which I love the colors. These. Yeah, so that is for my nostalgia, and then this one is for the cousin, which I figured I can use, I don't know, next week maybe, we'll see. But I like the bats and the color scheme, so yeah, I could use this multiple times. These are so cute. I like the heading too. All right, and another one for the cousin is this one, which is called Pumpkin Patch. And I really liked the color scheme of these two. I thought it was just adorable. So these will be for, yes, the cousin. Oh, and I really like the little washi there too. And the headers. Oh, those are so cute. So yeah, I'm excited to use that one in my cousin. And last but not least, so excited for this one. This one I believe is for nostalgia. Yeah, I think it's just for my nostalgia, or just a vertical planner. So, oh, it's so cute. So that is my haul. Quite a bit of stickers. I kind of need a new way to organize them. I don't know. Right now I'm using a binder, so we'll see how that works. But yes, I'm so excited to use these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you can keep updated with all my new videos. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.